Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili mango pickle, only way. Start by choosing firm raw mangoes, wash and dry them thoroughly, then chop into small cubes. Measure spices precisely and toast mustard and fenugreek seeds until fragrant. Mix mango with salt and turmeric and let it rest until juices release. Combine with toasted spices, red chili powder, and warm mustard oil for a punchy, preserved pickle ready to jar. Toast mustard and fenugreek seeds in a dry pan until they pop and smell nutty, then grind coarsely. Mix ground spices with red chili powder and a pinch of asafoetida for depth. Salt and turmeric go straight onto the chopped mango to draw out moisture and soften texture. Rest the mango and spice, mix for several hours to overnight, then heat and pour warm mustard oil over the blend to seal flavor and preserve it. Pack the spiced mango mixture into sterilized jars, pressing down to eliminate air pockets. Pour any remaining warmed oil to cover the mango completely, then seal jars tightly. Store jars in a cool, dark place for at least 1 week before first tasting to let flavors meld. Once opened, refrigerate and use within 3 months, checking for any off smells or mold before each use for safety. Label each jar with date and contents for easy rotation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.